Have you ever looked at the first question of a test and realized you're cooked? Like, you literally just give up right away after reading it. I was taking a test once in chemistry, which was by far my worst subject throughout all of school. It was like those tests were in Mandarin. But I was super nervous for this one specific test because my grade was already pretty bad. So I knew I couldn't afford to keep shooting air balls on all these exams. But then, the teacher hands it out, and immediately, I only understood like 2 words on the first question. Okay, no big deal. Let's just skip that one and go to question 2. But no, can't do that, because you know what question 2 says? Based off your answer to question 1, solve this problem. When I read that, I put my pencil down, tipped my cap to my teacher, and quit. I knew it was over. It was kind of nice though, because all the stress and anxiety from the test was gone. And now, it was just pure acceptance that I was absolutely cooked.